Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to find Microsoft Word product key. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred web browser. Over here, you can use any browser like Google Chrome. After that, click on the Windows Start menu. Then, in the search bar, type Word without specifying the version. Over here, you will see Microsoft Word appear in the search results. After that, click on it to open Microsoft Word. Then, once Word is open, go to the Word home screen. Over here, click on Account on the left side of the screen or under the top menu depending on your version. After that, you will see the Account section. Over here, you can find your product information, including the product key associated with your copy of Word. So that's basically how you can find Microsoft Word product key full 2024 guide. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.